Assalamu alaikum dear friend. My name is Abu Sultan and I am student of Sports Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I am going to share a short summary of the TEDx talk inside a school of Sword Bombers by Sharmeen Baida. This TEDx talk highlight the importance of education insurance thesis and helping young people build a positive future. Sharmeen Obaida Chundri is a journalist and a filmmaker who has worked on important social media issues in this style. She explained how education can help young people make better choices and create a bright future. The speaker shared that many children face challenge because they lack paper, proper education and profession education help people gain knowledge, develop skill and think critically about the world, world around them. One of the key message of the talk is that every children discover a safe environment where they can learn, grow, and achieve their dream. The talk uh, also the importance of female families, teacher, and management supporting young people when children receive encouragement and putting the are more likely luckily or become confident and inspiring in available. Okay. In education, this TEDx talk teaches us that education, sport, and understanding can help create a better future of everyone. I learned that knowledge is powerful, and every children should have a sport of learn and skill. Thank you for listening to me. Allah Hafiz.